Good evening, everyone. Invite and share. A bit of pussy. Dove la cosa qui. Dove. Good evening. Invite and share. We have a very good topic to talk about this evening. Let me call my people. Il est the top show. Here we both are. They live video. You live video. How was it? Yeah, what's on? What happened to my music? What is happening? What is sono? Oh, Musao. Oh, Musao. I was vai ver me vai contar não lá o yeah, boy, not dressed today. May I go look my rice, make it no burn finish for fire. Why I join music now again? Not of this one. Invite and share. Oh. Hello, Jay.
God bless you.
Hey, you have to wear what I didn't like video. You have to wear later.
Okay.
Imare o minige.
Imare o. Imare no minige o.
Imare o. Imare o minige.
Ìlàwọ̀ tẹ̀ jáde. Ọjà dùgbé. Ọjà dùgbé o. Ọjà dùgbé. Nọ̀gá kìí ẹ̀dọ́ mọ́ kí o ṣe ká.
Ìlàwọ̀ tẹ̀ jáde. Ọjà dùgbé. Ọjà dùgbé. Ìlàwọ̀ tẹ̀ jáde.
Ìlàwọ̀ tẹ̀ jáde. Ọjà dùgbé. Ọjà dùgbé. Ìlàwọ̀ tẹ̀ jáde. Nọ̀gá kìí mọ̀ kí wọ́n kí lè rámi.
Ìlàwọ̀ tẹ̀ jáde. Ọjà dùgbé. Ọjà dùgbé. Ìlàwọ̀ tẹ̀ jáde. Agbọ̀gbé, ẹ̀yin ní tẹ̀wùkẹ́ o.
Agbọ̀gbé o, ẹ̀yin ní tẹ̀wùkẹ́. Ọ̀fí hàn náà ní ìwé màkè fún ọ̀pẹ o.
Agbọ̀gbé, ẹ̀yin ní tẹ̀wùkẹ́.
Agbọ̀gbé o, ẹ̀yin ní tẹ̀wùkẹ́. Òyà náà gbọ́dọ̀ wé lọ́rẹ́ nẹ́rù náà o.
Agbọ̀gbé, ẹ̀yin ní tẹ̀wùkẹ́ o.
Ìṣèlèkó níyàgbọ́ dèrè o.
Ìṣèlèkó,
Ìṣèlèkó níyàgbọ́ dèrè.
ìṣèlèkó,
Ìṣèlèkó ọ̀tàpá.
ìṣèlèkó, 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 ìṣèlèkó,
Ìṣèlèkó níyàgbọ́ dèrè o.
ìṣèlèkó, 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 ìṣèlèkó,
Ọ̀tàpá.
ìṣèlèkó, ìṣèlèkó.
Níyàgbọ́ dèrè.
Ìṣèlèkó, 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 ìṣèlèkó,
Ọ̀tàpá.
ìṣèlèkó, ìṣèlèkó. Wàgálẹ̀ lúnú àgbọ̀n o.
Wàgálẹ̀ lúnú àgbọ̀ wàlélẹ̀.
Wàgálẹ̀ lúnú àgbọ̀n.
Alélẹ̀ òmìnira.
Wàgálẹ̀ lúnú àgbọ̀n.
Ògo.
Wàgálẹ̀ lúnú àgbọ̀n.
Àgbọ̀ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ wẹ̀. Nígbà tó tẹ̀sí lélo.
Wàgálẹ̀ lúnú àgbọ̀n.
Wà á fi yé kégbé. Ọ̀tá bọ́ọ̀lù òmìnira. Ògo. Wàkí máa ń pẹ́ náà. Nígbà náà bẹ̀ ìjàgbẹ́ mú yá.
Good evening, everyone. But this is my topic. I want to belay English. I want to speak and speak English language. English language. What did I say? What did I say? Yaka, write it out. What did I say? English language. We want to discuss something about single mother in Europe. Some of them, not all. Because some of the single mother, they are well responsible. There are those that's not responsible. We want to talk about them today. Because when Efe is talking, everybody say Efe disgrace women, he disgrace them, this, that. But today, we want to talk something very important about we, the single mother in Europe. I not come out myself, we, the single mother in Europe. Somebody like me, I have been single mother for the past 30 years. Did you see that? So this new single mother, not the old ones. Because some of the old ones, they respect themselves. So that is why today, invite and share, we want to talk about... So you say Lovett. Sister Lovett, I don't fit talk the rest one. You try. You don't give me English language. Invite and share. So we want to talk about why I bring this topic this evening. I be don't want to come out this evening. I don't go speak grammar because small time I go come me some. These people when no get there, what did they call them? Aprocom, and they don't go put on there. I don't want me with the quarrel. Everybody with your own lie. So the thing I want to talk about, don't see and there, right and there. So I watched one video this evening, this afternoon. That video, I don't understand what that lady did talk.
I beg if not be single mother, me not beg my husband, if not be married to. We not even talk about single mother, if not be married to, me not beg my husband. Make I leave us. We know they depend on us. I say, Jamie don't marry us. Jamie they take care of us. We not disturb una, but man I not call they call, now go they deny say, una not get husband, una not nobody where they do us. Where they say God, where they say God no destination future husband for her, God no destination future husband for her. Focus on your woman. So say you don't marry, don't born children for her. Focus on her. Leave another person alone. Don't be like you're going to tell your wife say get her home destroyer. You know she say na single mother be. You want scatter your home. I bet when I leave us, so we be single mother. Yes, now man I see but give us. Don't be God. Don't be Jesus Christ. We not be Mary. Now Jesus, not be Jesus Christ give us belly. Now you might be gallant guys. Now they give us belly. Guys we gallant. The even no for you. They lose God, but I see our baby father. The way we be single mother, and I dare to not be single father. Any man will still born for you, say not stay with you. He said, well, yeah, they ain't a single father, we not see single mother. But you where you don't claim married to, say you call Jeremy, say you don't ready to. Me not beg now. You won't stay with your woman. I bet focus on your woman. Leave us alone. Leave us for waste. Leave us for waste. We already accept we accept say we be single mother. I mean, after me accept we be single father. Leave us for our documents. Now single mother, then you claim married to. The husband and wife. So how would they focus? Leave us alone now. Leave us alone. I'm not be after you lick our toto finish, you lick our nyash finish. You go there for me rubbish to give your wife. The other your stupid wife. Your nonsense wife. This not be you this virgin. Another man I open toto for you. You will call the open man say, now my love, now my you go the left. That stupid woman go carry your picture, go the talk nonsense, go call the insult you. Now go na ise. How she will go na ise what would they say? Now go swallow up that person. Now boy, better boy be say to your chance I go show come and I go catch that woman from Nyash. Better boy, I go catch that man out of the prick. When be say married man, we not agree that they don't marry. If you deny a woman, go kill her. Slash go kill her. If you deny a woman, go deny you. Go deny you. If you deny a woman, go deny you. If you get woman for house, you put children for her. If they deny the woman, go deny you. Anywhere you there, whether you there France or you there Germany, you there Italy, you get woman, you get children for her, you there deny. Wait, now when I will catch you for Nyash. Because you don't cause one girl now, the girl don't born for you. The girl don't born for you now. Now Jesus Christ is born for you. The woman can carry big breasts, the big breasts. They resort because na Jesus Christ he born. With the big breast. Are you where you be? Are you where you be? Another single mother like me. Our group. Our single mother association. Boy, they friend you carry the boy for her, they put another woman, they sort her. Remember, say go see God give tomorrow. See God give. Because Jenny boy said, they know they focus on one woman. Hardly before you see one way good. Hardly before you see one way good, though. If they're not tell you, say, you buy boss for them, they'll say, you say recharge card. Hardly before you see one way good, they'll see God give. Now, see, they say yourself, no, because someone they carry the boy for hanger for year. Hanger for year. If you go any of your throw away, you flick at your way. You want to go to the boss woman picture, say, you get shiny. Now, collectively, do it, baby money. If you're not allowed to get a tie or a power, see God boys or Germany, a picture that they take, naked picture. If not get for it, they go send the one post, if you not send the money, send the €200. But I mean €200, see God boys or Germany. See God boys or Germany, see God father, man, I live us alone. See God boys, see God mother, man, I live us alone, man, I live us for waste. Boys, single boys, they are not too much. Single boys, they never boss, they're not after you fuck finish. You go to talk nonsense, now you lick our toto, now you lick our nyash. After you go to talk rubbish on your woman, talk rubbish on your friend, you go, see God boys or Jamie that they gossip, that they lick nyash. Man, I live us alone. Man, I live us so we don't too tired. I don't sing music, but I said the music you never cherish. Now I do live video. When I live us, I do music for the music never share. That is what I say. I say make I do live video. You sit down, your boy will come to go. They tell you what? I'm not married. I love you. I never said the baby won't take coat. Because I know is there nothing married. That's why I get for children. Because say wife no they give her better style. Even they fuck you say go say my wife do not fuck rich. Because say my wife rich like this. Because say my wife no they do like this. Sweet rich like this. They go out there go they talk nonsense about. Just don't do na much. We're not ready to focus. We're not ready to fight. Ending of month. Ending of month. Boy, they can't get house. Ending of month where they don't pay. Month where they say, baby, can I come to your house? Baby, can I come to your house? I get free ticket though. Can I come to your house? Ending of month. You know, say they don't pay. No, they don't pay. Ending of month. Can I go to they call your house? Let us say welcome. Because say no say go collect money. Hey, say they come more. And they call that to my play our music when they see. Which rap? Bread. You don't join me. Like say you join. You don't join me. I got you join the group. I bet you did something with yourself. Come on, you say sick. Hell.
Okay. Do what beg. So what beg una way they talk. My children way they talk so. There be small girls. I see them. I want first give una small advice. So all these men now, when be say if month end, neither they call una say because they know say una don't receive that money. Neither go call una say, baby, make I call your house. As una take the talk now, be say men when they call they leak that to una nyash. Una know say they get wife and children for house. Una know say some of them get 4 children as una talk, go come deny. At the end of the day, the man wife go carry 4, they insult una. They give una name when not be una. That means una no say all this men they get wife. So why una come they cry for social media? My beautiful angel, they see as they fine. See as they fine, they too fine. You understand? Okay. Now boys we dey Germany, we all know say now that one be their work because work no dey there. Some of them said they go even give the paper, make they go work. They don't go work because una wey be single mother. Una want people we go they leak una nyashi in time. That is why they go tell una say pay before service. Instead of men now to pay woman, now una come they pay them. You understand? I just put and say all the whole Europe, but this thing happen in Germany. Make they not say na social German people that they talk to. We Italy people we not spoil. Small time now they go say yeah boy they fuck small boys. You understand? Now then you go see old woman as me being a person go the toast. I'll say I better buy me recharge card. He go buy if he like. If he don't like, no be by force. And he not go see me. That one are the truth of the matter. He not go where he go for see me the day house I be where sit down put so. Now he go for see me. So all this single mother matter. He not go rest. What he go make him rest? If he there around now see this cat, he go talk. You call the shout now. Mona leave us alone. Mona leave us alone. most more we single mother make them even they live una alone una go still carry because una don't they like can say that they lick una kpekus. Now this one I cry put that they say I cry come men no they do work with women. Any woman when mad they do that kind of thing. He no go stay husband house. He no go stay. He no go stay husband house. At the talk they say why they talk make I not talk again. Hey wure. See any woman I still they repeat and I let do top show. Any woman when you open her body make mad they suck. That woman no go feel marry. He no go feel stay husband house. Because anytime the husband leave him, maybe like 2 months travel, 3 months, he go fuck another man. You go sleep with another man. Because he no go fit stay. She no go fit stay. Now, this small guest now, don't talk to single mother. I pray as he talk at last. He talk say, we said we still be another man feature wife. I hope so. And I pray. You understand? Because as soon as they do all this nyaga, like as this girl they talk, if you see as he find a fine girl, some may go like make it date her or make it stay with her. But the way she take come out just now can't talk. Now that one they go they look. Ruda Agbo. I tell me now will say this word they know they talk with it person better. Now the bad one when they inside then they go pick come on. You look somebody some people like a procona. If they discuss now, they don't go bring now the bad one when they say now then they'll go cut come out for inside to create trouble into social media. Now so I said before we ourselves, if we don't behave well, our character go first judge us. He go first judge us. That is why we all need to they go to maybe they go church. Maybe they listen to the word of God. Some word of God in the Bible, if pastor can preach it to you, if you cannot read, it they change person, character, and behavior. You see, when I hear that video just now, single mother, Germany boys, they know they work. If most one hand, they call you, baby, make her come. Then as social media don't wide reach now, you go come still the open body give man. So any woman as of now go open body for man for video. That man not be your husband. Ordinary man for video. That means now you say you never wise. You never wise. Because anybody when man will not put a picture for Facebook. See the toaster they carry money go they give the man. You be useless woman. Or the name is the add fame or is the answer. Then now you go wait now as we be now. We go open group chats. We go say we want to do this one, we want to do this one, make they bring money, come, make we donate money. That's it when you want donate money, put you not see him. And you go still they donate money. With the year now say someone build hospital for Bini. Hospital where a government build, they don't see money they buy bed put. Now you group money, you go feed you and build hospital, make their father they go. All those one waiting it be. If you not here, you are going to put money for that kind of thing. And your papa, if the thing reach through, your papa will go there. You go pay. You go pay. You understand? So like me, I still the talker. I open ile ledo the culture. I want to use that tongue to ile ledo cultural dance seminar we're gonna there. We they buy the things now, not be only me all of us. If I buy okuku, you go get your own, I go get my own, your money no lost. They go play that band where we donate money, put you go dance. You go enjoy yourself. We go buy clothes, your own you go wear them. We go do t-shirt, your own you go take them. You not lose. So may you come tell me say you want build hospital, you want buy car, you want do this one with your name. What you concern your boy for that one? It not concern me. So our people never see open. They never see open. I beg you now we get the chance to chop them. More they chop them. Because when you open your body give man, if it anytime they hungry, he go tell you say, okay, if you not just bring those some money, I go post them more. I go drop post them. You don't get choice. This more money where government give you, may take care of your children. You go carry the money. You go carry the money, you give black boy. because of only 1 or 2 nights we want to sleep with you. Because all these girls, when I wait till una they do, now una they talk so. Una say, if you remain month ending, now they go they come in the house. Because money they don't pay una. They don't pay una. If they pay una finish the come, he stay there for 3-4 days. He go from your house, enter another one, go they enter, they go up at the end of the month. Before the money go finish, the guy go don't collect about 1,000 euro from different women. All the name of waiting. If the dick, if they not fuck, the thing will go just enjoy 10 minutes. He don't he don't finish. The money what they give you. I see one of their daughter there, John, very fine small girl. Instead of it to carry all those money, they give all this boys way our boy VB. Hard way no they walk. Obono mwe kia we go. No la luhe ne we go jo. Me we they suck una pussy, we no they pay put. Una no see hein? Say una they come out now cause they disgrace una self. Una they come out my children cause they disgrace una self. So as it been anything we una see, una go be around for yourself una house. Not be say una come social media cause they talk am. As for me, me I don't know another person's opinion, no, not be my own, no. Not be my own. My own day different. We are a single mother. If you want to help your guy, I don't say make anybody not help his boyfriend or her husband, but you go know the way we do at that matter stand before you go the do one. Not be say everything. If money just come, the guy go just call your akpakam. He go sleep with you. He go one sleep for his side with him mouth. You go say he love you. He don't love you. Now that money he can collect. And the worst part, they get wife and children for his house. As soon as they talk just now, not be me talking. Now so it day for Bible. Now una talking. Una say they go carry go they tell una their wife say una body they smell, una this one they smell, una this one and wherever. Whereas they don't suck una kpekus. Who can foolish pass? Who can foolish pass? No be una wey be the women. Now una know say that man get wife and children for house. I know say some no they talk. But as you know finish, you go leave the man, make it go. Is it compulsory that you must give man money before he sleep with you? Is it compulsory? Children, una small fine girls like this. Is it compulsory? Eh? Wamaza deke your man never old. Okay, if you na call old you call. Let me say una go say una house give man before sleep with una. Ru dem in aje gwega je fidi. Hello? 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 I greet you, sir.
I'm here to call for Jeremy.
I don't see him. I don't see the number.
I think they follow your program sometimes. So.
Okay, sir.
My other is busy. We be there talk.
I did live video now.
Okay, maybe some other time.
Which talk you want to talk about? You want to give me a person you offend you?
No, Mama, I think that they find good from Italy there. Let me say my confirm for you.
You define?
And they find good thing from Italy. Now they make I confirm for you.
Okay. If
I
not,
use my Italian life call you. I get Italian life. Use have to call you.
Okay, no problem.
So I come. So thank you, ma.
Thank you, though. Later now. So when Magwadesi, before that interrogation phone come in azebo me akanso azebo ido akpolo ido ruaru akon get body. You understand? Why are you people doing this? Una never odo fine guests, small guests like this. Instead of not to suffer, I do not self. It jama go marriage. We get where jama one marriage you rich. Jama no go to marry you for your life. No, you get where they want marry una rich. These people, as una just dey Germany, they collect the money. More than not say na so they go. Una know who make people they enter Germany. Now this woman president when they get to. before Germany, you not go there anyhow. You not cross the border anyhow. Before Germany, when me know, you not cross that border anyhow. So Mona pray to this woman. Mona just pray to that woman. Say another person after this in 8 years don't finish. Another person where they come. Maybe may still get the mind when this woman gets. Una see say na so you go they beat they go. Both the men and the women when they there. Even Germany don't even worst past Italy. Before they say Italy not they even they rain again. Now Germany and France come they rain now. Now you go they rain. Even France now, the way where you say go suffer for street with your children. Germany not there like that. Because France not get a duro ass. So people go carry, they go pay una government go pay una money, una take feed una children. The next thing una go do, make ma con sick suck una kpekus, una carry the money given. Every month ending. Every month ending, now una boyfriend they follow una carry picture. Now you go follow una snap picture. Every month ending, now una boyfriend go follow una waka for street. If months don't go, you not go see him again. So which kind of life be that one? Just come out say, hey man, make una leave us alone. That my boy so, make una leave us alone. This one. My daughter, you too fine for that. Not do am again. Not do am again. Anything where you dey sit there, swallow am. Swallow am, my big girl, my fine angel. You too beautiful pass all those one. So if you say you dey afraid ma with your daughter when you hold for her, that fine pikin. The thing when you go do, if you say that man, he not dey responsible, don't pan fast and don't come to social media and chat. Mona not come again, come chat. It not good now. That they repair something na dey spoiler. Yeah? Una dey spoiler. It not good. Eh? Germany now, if you talk, they say, na be ele jama woman, oh. We not say na only jama, say all we messy go mother in Europe. Wagi magbere ibo, wagbere ibo, because you know guy. Eh? This time around, na so you go do this one, na so you go do this one, na so you go do this one, na so they will carry picture, that's so their wife go say, una get isha, una get now. Because this una no want leave their husband alone, I make them they tell una like that. And the useless and useless our boys when they there, when they no one walk. Una know the fear to go they claim another man wife because he with his husband get crash. Una know the fear. Una supposed to the why una know the shame self? Our Nigerian boys where they Germany. Why una know the shame to go and climb everything? Una go they climb single mother. Una go they climb them. Una go they suck their pussy. Una go they collect their money. Una know the shame. Oh manu dia man no give away. Abe debe do ya manu we. The major you major to other man. Na so I know that person go constantly take a major for you. Some of them, if they see boyfriend and girlfriend with children, they fight. Instead of them to settle them, the next thing they go do, they pass the back. No mind now, that your boyfriend is not good. Now so I see her with another woman for Madrid that day. Another one, they come the kiss. He go like to. And that woman now, the foolish woman, he go believe her because she knows that the best friend be that he not go feel like against her. He go feel like against her because he want to destroy that home. You go believe her. And if once you don't leave that man, now that a friend you go call they sleep with. See one woman when we talk about her that time when your children carry on Facebook. When that woman called me privately, I was very ashamed of myself. Man when marry, when born give. His best friend, he called the friend them again. When your children talk, come out now, say, when they talk to me, I ask her, he said not true. Now he get it, but nobody go. Okwaba, your children don't they born for husband house. Now James the day all of they happen. I said, mother, this thing what they tell me is at the shame. Why you go say your husband when you born children for? His best friend, because you not get crash. You call the afraid them again. You want to born for that one. Ah, now wow. It no good. Okay, wait till you call they teach all those your big children tomorrow. Wait till you can't teach them. Wait till you can't give them, make them know. Wait till you can't teach them. Nothing. So our women, I beg you in the name of God, Mona get fear of God. It matter a lot. So even you know they go church, read Bible. Sit down, maybe they read Bible at times. Maybe you see they pray. Maybe they see the difference between Christian and unbeliever. Not be say myself still they go to church. Oh, not be say myself still they read Bible because me I they go. I know they miss church, but I still they listen to what the pastor they talk. Oh, I they listen where. All those ones, it's still they change person small. Because all this single mother matter, single mother. Una no they tolerate again from una ma. Whether you don't pay una dario, you never pay o. Una no they get patience at all. That is why all those single men come they use una anyhow. And they talk to una, not true be that. Because it good, I know say some men they are very bad. You go beer before you come out. I know some women with the beer like that. So not the beer at all. So they talk and say, if you carry my, if you say I see the beer, you throw away and now you don't walk away. You go out. No, you cannot. You cannot walk away every day like that. Oh, different men walk away. Oh, if they do it like that, it not go good. You go marry 5 children, five husbands, 5 children. You understand? So if you just say, this man, the thing when you do me, man, I beg you, make a come out. Another man, they outside. Now lie, you know they outside. Now as all these boys go, they do all this single mother. So now so that you constantly join the meeting. You constantly join the association. You can't join the association because now the truth. Because the truth is bitter. Nobody go bring them say, I bet this woman go. Me, at first on, I've been single mother for 30 years now. Now be. But as often they do my own, they go, who come and fair for man. Oh, you go, my see, my jiko. And they do and they go. If man just still come tomorrow, say, mama, or yeah, boy, I want married. Do I go marry? I go marry. I'll just say, no problem. I go not say capable to take care of me. But if I marry, I know say my husband go help. Me self go help. Obona samek obona samek obona opo yanwa. You understand? No be say even better men now go the toast una. Una no go gree. Una go come say e not tall. E too short. E too red that they hear in name. You know hear that guy when they toast me, they say don't feel Freddy ye boy you. What you want to can do. You don't know when that na your own husband, where God carry, follow you, come life with that one. Or you go, yes, say, hey, you don't friend the Susanna before. No, wait, I want to cut down, we don't fuck that old Susanna. So Susanna, when they go 70 years, you got the friend, and that dick, you go contact. You know whether your body even clear reach that Susanna body. It not clear reach. You go use that opportunity, you go just lose husband where God give you because of pride. You go just live on because of pride. So go say you go just see man now we go take care of you. He got one man when call me yesterday, I be there before yesterday. He got this way he explain for me, but he say he no want carry and call social media, but he just want advice. I advise him, but I tell him say I'll take and give men example. Because I say if you carry and call social media, the insult when you go see go too much. Now, what happen? You see woman for Facebook. In with the woman called the flow. The woman called and say, if they come Italy, this guy na Italy they process the paper, then it they Austria. So when the woman get ready to come Italy, say because na Italy he did before, but I see they go in, he can't go Spain. He get one Peking. I know ask whether a man or boy. He said when the woman come tell her, say, if they come tell her, say, okay, if still get appointment for Italy, make the judge use that opportunity, see. The woman come say, eh. After then, the woman come carry, the man, he come ask her, say, he no get transport money. The man come ask her, say, how much? 350 euro from Spain to Italy. Me go that day, now 150 euro, that they go and come. The man sent the money, go give this woman. So after this woman don't ready to come, now the guy don't come up for us Racon Italy, take the risk, follow border. Now this woman, now when they call the woman, where you the woman say he not come. Why? He say he document no let her take pass the road. When the guy they tell you I laugh and want die. He never finished for them. He say Coteland say he get one parable, say when he say he tell the woman. He said, "Na so he can't do an appointment. He not call the call him again. One day the woman call and say, ah, because of that way, don't happen that day. Now you know they call him again. This, that. He can't talk to them again. Cause they complain for her. The man get the man. He want marry. He be need wife. Seriously. Then the woman, they call the flow again. When he call the man say he did Germany. He said, this paper when you say you know go let you take go Germany. Not be you take the Germany. Now I say, brother person, that woman not this Spain. Now Germany day right from time. That one for your information. I want to tell you that one. Say that woman this Spain. Now lie. You don't look back again. No. The woman now Germany day. And he can say he can't do it like this. You say the woman can't talk to her. Now say Joseph, you newly called Europe. You be JJC. You never understand what it is soap. So he said he would not call the flow again. The woman can say if they come Italy. Because some of you load, it's still the Italy where you never carry go back. Where you they come, he said they go Napoli. Napolita. He said the man can say, okay, he self go come. But this time around, what you call they pay the man not can get appointment again. He want just come because of this woman. So when he come now, when he call the woman can say he need money, the man can send another 400 euro. Oh, Baba, you know we woo. Another 400 euro go give this woman for Germany. As he said, the money go give that woman finish for Germany. The man come ready. Or where he want come, he say his sister there Napoli. Now the boy can say, okay, no problem. The brother come ready. Fine guy like that. He come ready. He come still beat border again. Come Napoli. As the man reach Napoli finish, he call the woman. The woman say he no come. Jesus Christ. I said, brother. He said, now so, the woman come, as they call the talk, say, what you they do? So you go say, make it come up for. He said, now so you can't find brother. He can go stay in brother house before he can go back. When you go call the woman can block her for Facebook, block her for WhatsApp, that fight the normal number. I will say before the woman not they carry her call again. He called you and he called else after he block and finish. He called you the friend number take call her. He said the woman can't pick. The woman can say because of he said the sister of that woman just call and say he gives enough for one he gives enough for no said the you can imagine human being. Bere kine manag modo bet okpeani na ya mwe bog be back when ya wo wage o. Ruda amake gaza amade gaza gaza. But the woman claims smart to carry that money from that woman. You see life? Now I just tell her, say, brother, maybe we stop her like that. I go take her advice. Man, where they carry women for social media. More careful. Because all some women, they're not ready. So some women, they're not ready to marry. Even this woman, I just tell the man, say, maybe this woman will talk now, now with him man. Just they say, I take flood you that money. It happen because our men, they don't know say agua ogboma, ya work bigger, ya kwenya, ya mweri ya neve doge, emi rokpagi sunu wedo, ota e hole. You see this story? The brother talked to me. I be say I'll call him back yesterday. I not gonna remember. Himself not gonna call me. I advise him where was a brother, not carry and go social media. Because if you carry and go, he say, no, he don't want my advice. May I still take her advice, people. Because if you carry and come, your people go ask you, say, brother, if now that woman give you that money, now 2 years no go here. Now because now you they chat. That one are number one. Many people go support you, but people when you go say, brother, shut up your mouth, you'll be mugu. You go plenty. You understand? So I beg our men, our women, when they open their body for men for social media, Mona stop them. Instead, this is time to wise. Okay, Mona see this matter when we carry come out. Since last week, when Mama Gladys just the drag since then, what did they call and say all these people when they use Nollywood actor, they flood people money. You see, you know say they know they before they send me message anyhow. Hello? 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 Good evening. I find a live video. Who they talk? See they worry this one. So you understand me so? You see what they do that guy? He no good. He good or he no good. But that woman, that man, he no go. That is, he no go believe woman again. If they suffer, he no get paper. He just they use that Aduro paper. They beat border, go they work for that side. Okay, the next thing the guy go see now, that woman just collect 750 euro from her. This woman, you no see her for eye. You know, now only photo if for see her. The woman come block and for everywhere. So if you see man now when he ready to marry him, the man go say, hey, now so that one first one, he go the fear. But I see a verse and say, as a bama, as a young brother, when I said you go no man, you will fit first, fit give woman when you don't know money because of her daughter, it can do what you do everything. That means you go fit take care of your own. You go fit. You go fit. Good evening, everyone. Eranege Prince, I see you for here. Akbakom is a finder. I see you. Good evening, sir. You understand? He no good. You just carry that money, you go like that. Your brother, your sister say, Iggy is enough for. Una not say na Iggy is enough for. Why una not work, get that money by una self? To collect them for that poor man hand. Eh? He no good. Very bad. He no good. So, I can't advise that brother, say, brother, forget. You use that money, buy your life, buy your head, buy all sickness when you get for body or when person go inflict for you. You take and buy for their hand. For that people hand. Forget. I beg and well. I don't know the woman, but I beg and well, make it forget about that money. He say, mommy, he go forget, but he no dash out that money. Because the way we take collect that money, he no good. Instead of go just tell me, say, brother, I not go friend you, better they hungry. Find something for me. I go still, by church mind, I go still find something give him. You understand? Man, don't talk to me. I tell the man, say, I no go agree. He worry me. One day, I just call her. Me just forget, and me call her. I say, bro, because we can't talk to be like so can't be tight friend. Maybe if he still get some problem, go just tell me, say, mama, I see what I pass through. I go take work. I'll tell her. But to get to one day, I just need that money. I just call and say, I just don't want stress. So he say, we stress. I say, I just need 50 euro. He say 50 euro. Say, okay, I go send that for send me your postpay. I just say a joke. He just come, he say, put out me, I go look at. I go collect the money. I beg her. No, say I just say, I go friend you now, give me the money. No, if they here now, if they here now, they look me every time. Now so we two of us can't be. Even if the girlfriend now say if he with a get problem, go tell me say mommy, I'll go tell my mommy. He go call me. I'll still advise her. Instead of me to collect the money in another evil way. That one a evil way, eh? So tomorrow now, if another thing, if I know, you know what thing, I don't know something where it they happen for this life. Man, fit help you. When that man go help you finish, you go drive the man come out. You go say make the man come out. Say you don't need that man again. The man no go talk. He go come out. But God go carry another man come for you. All those evil things when you do that man, the one we can go do you finish before you go know. He go don't put you for a base self. Before you go know say that man na evil when he come, you go don't suffer. Before you go pursue, if you pursue and finish, now only you go come to suffer. You don't go. Why? The one when you first punish, now God give you another reward. That reward, that's why uga we no ma even no ma we ba we. We no mama we ba we. Ruda eseme akane. I mean because why? Why are they talking? When you the help person or person, they do good to you, they pay with bad. The time when God go to expose your nyash, the time when God go to do you bad, when go to punish you, can't give you the reward. You are surprised to say now your family. You know, no say that waiting you use your hand do. You not gonna say that waiting you use your hand do. You understand me so? So our ladies, single mothers there, more na the respect to yourself. Men when still be single fathers, the small girl talk just now. More na self still the respect to yourself. More na not the at least more na look at more. Now when they give a Lollywood actors there. More na look their BS. The more na they juice for inside. Some of them still they do more than join now. You go see their BS. See as they take cover. Una sure say no be woman dead the back. Una not sure say na woman dead the back. So because another person, me I just record for that. Anytime it's 1 week, anytime they don't give me the picture, and when they accept them, you don't go come on. You never come on that they don't write hello lady, hello beautiful lady. You just say all those actors get time to answer you. When you go say request, go give them 10 years for their Facebook. They're not go even accept them. When they go mistake, maybe no one they carry their phone, they go accept you, they will never talk to you. Even the women self. So go even accept you, you not go talk to you. Go even write good morning, hello, you never see reply. Even Mama Susanna that time, I said that request, it takes Susanna almost 5 to 5 months before I accept me. I never write Susanna. One day, make Susanna write to me. Maybe now I go they do as be pastor now. Now I block her because you don't get use for that. You know they answer me. I know they answer her. So what is the need? Make that space enter another person. Many of them, all of them, they don't get time. So all those fake one. If you don't catch them, you know, if they just say you catch them, before you go back, they go block you by themselves. Now the video what we do, now because they say give them. If they don't say hello, and they accept them. I even put up for that my record say, no worry, every day. Anytime I send me request, I go there answer una. But I get waiting, I go tell una. The whole world we don't share and follow. Make them know. But as we see the chat now, you go see some way, go see form, we go send a video call for caller. That video call not be real, not be in. It there the back of the video. They talk to you. Na computer they talk. This computer, I can change my voice for inside. I don't know what I touched from my phone today. I said, me I snap picture, I can't be two. I can't be two. I try to comment and say, I don't know what I'll take comment them again. Any picture one snap now, it go be two. It go be two. So, what the computer not go feed do? It no day. So, single mother, as everywhere see hot rich now, when see they open her body, they give man for social media, make they see. What did you? Just want it down. Una see the open now. More than open them again. More than wise. More than wise. Yeah. Why I not say many Nigerians, mostly Edo, my people, some of them for inside. Why I not say a weta na esayang or we will make If you woman are on a death state be dona debiko. Oto. Wa ma then when I feel you buy me our helu every day by day. Now when even zigo nina. Ana when wabe do ado Tony will be eh boy. Na ole ige mabigu kuse when I said there idiot no what yen o weson no ka pressure man na gbi unwe o isita Germany na ya ari o weson o wi o wege one of Germany o weson no gba kitali le lu gbe ari Germany we ma die ne wege wure pressure agi emoki ya ma wori banana ne wegi sekene na na dige si gomo da do wo wege won na do arobi ye boy ugwa ye boy egumegu egwan ye we ni meke ko we kedera do la de social media do tenegbe me ma me negbe akube ya bie o weson one of Germany wegi tane we da get block me be WhatsApp ni me picture we real adia ya ye mi o me ga ya la ju we pressure Saturday now no dey go anywhere aladia ya not aware kakabose iye manuga I get manuga alele kian be pressure gani when no momo wa gbiwe o gwe we value yeke I dey come for you Kogi ogwegi of Germany na a problem iro agba my vabo sege so no you understand I beg may we open eye. May we not donate money for waiting you know go favor us. Donate for the one way go favor you. As I talk just my own. My group, they really help. God go bless them for me. Both the one way come out, both the one way still there. They help, but they know what they want to do. Like me now, just say, maybe we go build hospital for Benin. Mon account they pay me one and not be doctor. Or a doctor who are alubara, who a carrot, who here do buy why one a diabetes ifo menije boy ya zigo ye gbon mi owe ya baby ya mina yi yore be de agbe ogo me ware be derio okuku nu zigo we ji ri enu ori ejun we du wa ri pa o gbo lohun gbohun bo zigo jo ri emi wa ke tita lo ezuzu ni meme ma no rere no iwie miti me no do yi mama gi du miti ama were one day we mommy do mu ezuzu me because here we win no we mama we kun here me seti mu you understand if we work body mara lo yare garage teme bodoni me ma ya fio ihe ni ki win so ma aga pe ugbejo e ti set wa jogwe no ri o wa ije boy ye boy go we ma gbe abe mani buku se pa se ajo wa me ari eri yo be emi nu gbe we wo ki me we wo emi wo ki me wo e doro nu ma gwa ze na ki ma we ki be gbe u gene bi wo go me wa be zigo yo ma go we ma wi na when me do zigo hospital na here de bed ji na ki ami na ma seti doctor na ti terere o do ji gugwe doctor so ha bo wa we star mugu 20 mugu 100 me mega ye mi gba ye ma bere oba gbo me mega ye mi o me ye boy ologo ni an when I no verse on a network that network no dey again when I dey shoot too. So you understand me? If anybody get opinion to suggest, to talk, to advise all those single mother, please, you people should call and advise them to respect yourself and the men. Not the carry your. I know say you want marry, you really want marry. They make you be doing, but I tell her no do am again, bros. This network don't dey crazy so. Yes, she think it's smart, my sister. It is say they smart to our brother, but you know say God not dey sleep. God not dey sleep, eh? Oh man, no give away that money. You feel say you don't collect them, but you don't feel they can do better thing. Because if you try to use and do something, it get as it go be. Not be say you wise, now make you do that thing. Not be wiseness. No be wise name make you do that mad that thing. It's very bad. It's very bad of you. But Benin people they take and make parable say, "Oh man, no or gboma." I went in that gbe every 750. No be small money, eh? Big money. Me they work a full month now. Take the work full month. Money when person come out for hand give you 2 times. No appreciation, no brother. Oh, my love, no verse. See what happen because he know say the guy no get paper. We go strong. We go take risk. Come time for Germany. I even thank God said the guy no get paper. He to say he go for got that guy for train station. No be said that for month. If I go there, he go just tell and say, bros, come. You just go there. If you go just go you. Many women they do So men, mona self still careful for all these women body. Many of them don't frustrate. They don't frustrate. They don't be better person. But una way be men self when God go even give una correct woman self, una self no go take am serious. Una go see say it too short. He no tall. As I say, now some women won't still be. He say no get swag. What if you carry that man enter house, build that to your taste? As far as they see money they bring, why do you not use that in money, that man money, take build that to your taste? They do one, man. Women they do one. You take build down to yourself. You got the swag bada for her. You got the bad jeans. They put on for Okponisan. No know what they talking for English. Vita Bassa. Night I love the color. You will put on for Yansh. You will buy a Kevin Klein pants, bossa for her. You go show. If not that one you want. If you not get beer, you go do and make get. You will tell her say leave your BS. You go leave her. You go cover for her. Carry go babisa look cover for her. Before you know yourself, another woman don't they look am. Now person hand night they repair in thing. Obama I adore him yomaji. If that man no get swag, because now waiting many of us they think be that say, I bet this guy no get swag. Waiting I want to can do. You know say if you use your hand do one, that swag go come. Many people go say, yeah boy swag, yeah boy swag. My brother, I go swag. My sister, I go swag because I don't want just old just like that. Just waste this body, leku body where God give me. I don't just want waste time like that. That is why if you see me and make up, I go wear visa basa. I go they shake my ass. They go. No go. No too much. She go. Meme. I go they shake count. They go. They go say if they friend small boys. If you carry yourself as an old woman, even men. When he teeth don't rotty, they you go they toast you. But when you maintain yourself, you know, some men day, you go there 40 years, it go be like man of 50-55 years. Why? Because you know they maintain himself. Some of my age for this Europe self, some now this morning never bath. Tomorrow, if you see a boy with guy, you go they cry. You say yeah boy money don't finish. How much are they receive? Since when I enter Europe, now Fabrica they work. Now only once I go where I go when I see people for them. Because of that one, my boyfriend when me with her they stay around. He said because me know they carry money for that, so I can't give her the Chris. Are they mad with this old age? Now that side that they for my money for the go Nigeria. The money what they receive, it not big now 1,000. I go pay light bill. I go pay house rent. I go send money go give my children for house. I go still buy eyeglass. This eyeglass I buy 300 euro. 299 euro 90 cents. Now I buy another GB. This one. Another one they Versace. Dolce Gabbana. All of the day. Now money and they buy now. We are one cause it one give blabber for the side. I tell one rich was when I go we go be 300. So the remaining one, it be 7 ya do here. Ko ya high we can another do a store Italo. You very 100, give it 50, give it. Hey, let me go to arena blabber. Epoda, ware, is your body menu. ijobe ma keke ijobe vai ofu urere o ba ku oge ma oselege itane ijobo ni kwa menu o igbera ni owe e golidara ero gware bank ebe golidara olidara awi go gbe ijobo ni no are le vai ogogo ti go uwe wona that why ko a be mi gbedo bi koko nu te a mi gbe wa sedo eri onona uwere do gwaligo imenije boyre do gwalo ije boy mo small boy si go no kwa small boy so kwa na 1000 ne small boy o wa so pa gwa nigba mu 550 ina rebo ni je wodena ko to asende 550 re ini go megi mi ebu kibe ne ni wina ama egbe do mi half woni ari ne wa ne ku error my sister. But people will not believe, but are happy. Even they believe, they not believe. Not be them get my body for me. But single mothers there. With the single mother, may we careful. Our brothers, mona still careful for all these hungry lion girls, ladies. So single mother, they are useless and wayward as my son talk. As my son talk, Efe. Some of the single mother, some wayward, I want to talk to wayward single mother when the Gogobiri don't vandalize finish. They don't vandalize them. You want to talk to them. They go say, if they talk to woman anyhow, if they talk to woman, hey, you know what now? He's a haven't done with big girl. Now what you not they do? Now make they talk on. So this my video not go long too much. I want to do it shortly. So now advice I come to advise you now. My baby girl will just they talk just a proper. Shut up. Shut up, not talk again because you still young, you go still marry. This video what they do, you know they come out for video, you know they come out. They know now for waste. Now they open up for them, neither they leak for now, neither they leak up for now.
Single mother, then you claim a Rito. So how would they focus? Leave us alone now. Leave us alone. I'm not after you leak our totofin, you leak our
Yeah.
You should go there for me rubbish to give your wife.
I beg.
Your stupid wife. Your nonsense wife. If it's not be you this virgin, another man. But the single mother totally rights now live. Now they sweet na pass. Single girls money for Germany. When I not follow her. But now single mother now they follow because now they do the sweet now. Now they live well. Now they live the girls. Single girls are about to give you. If the girl can't live, now you give man. Now am I gonna shout your papa on top of bed? You give my gonna shout your papa on top of bed. Nonsense. Nato, I beg.
Nayera, say mona leave them alone. Mona leave them alone. You una way be still the single mother. Mona still leave the young men in Germany alone. Mona leave them alone. May una leave them alone. Because una they call them. Now una they call them. Una receive money. Honey, come. They go come. They go do their work. Una go pay them. Because he will all way. They put the devil beans for una pekus. So now it costs them guys. They go come, they'll collect una money, they go. They'll go give their wife for us. So men, when they do all those things, I remember say una children una still they born, una still get sister. I still talking just now. Major when you major for your brother or your sister. Now another person could still take major for you. So please, now the advice when I can give our single mother today, then our women too, when they die for Lollywood actors for Nigeria, wanna stop and they be fake. They not be the real person. They not be the real person. Or whether the person can't come out the next day they talk, they not be the real person. Lie to AJ, they not be the real person. Mona know they do them again. Men, mona stop them. Woman wanna not see. Mona, if you want send money, come go give them. Mona buy the ticket, send them go give them. That if you not come maybe na 100 you take buy ticket, you not go shake you. Now be say you just carry 350, 400 go give them. At the end of the day, you not go see the woman. It's very bad. So Mona not do them again, please. Mona stop them. So women, single mother, we get men, single men, when if they find wife, me I get many of them. But I don't feel introduce any single mother for them because una be wayward single mother. As a fair talk. No be lie. Oh. If I call they see something for social media, I say, hey, that boy, although the way they talk and make people they say, na lie, na the real thing they talk. Now they talk. So me una stop on. All those nyama come out come they men no mo kona leave us alone. Na say they come they suck their pekuso. Na say they go do this one. Ah, what did they worry una now? My baby girls them. You see as they find they too fine. Mona stop on. Mona eat us. Mona still young. Mona settle down. Mona focus. Mona they go church. Mona they hear the word of God. Make God can't give una another one. Mona no come say do be another single mother again. You go come be 2. Maybe if I get 2, you come be 3. Maybe if I get 3, you come be 4. All of them go be different father. Because how much they pay una? Mona they pray. This woman wait there, so if he come out, the person will go enter. Mona they pray, oh, make it be like that, oh. Hey, if it not be like that, una not go enjoy the show. Una go they see for Germany. The show and the karat and the judo. Una go they see for there. Una not go like them. That time. Italy don't already reject. I like Italy now. If they just they throw away, they call it, Italy go say no. They don't get paper here again. Don't die. Oh yeah, Nigeria. Yeah, come. Why? Because of Oleyolere Emma Wodo Rudigo. Many people now they just they okay for Italy here. Because yeah, it Germany or Yawe Arigin Yakere. It Germany Yawe Arigin Yakere. It France Arigin Yakere. Where get the yobodo a bitally good wobo? Udoke negi mepe. Where do I oge France, oge Germany man about the about wala camp. A France make camp e cannot 115. He wap your may have 115. I age mo guania. I'll make one mu eta tamame or may I wap you. Yeah, can be mo guane so say I'm with feet floor a step hero. Kiye keko come here or ka mo pa do to kwa we gba do mo kekere ni awu. Single mother, me na leave us alone. We have a single boy, so me na leave us alone. And I get girlfriend. When you know say get why you not live fast? Why you still they carry your money they give her? Eh? Small girl, small girl like this. Why? Why? The thing where old women don't do now, go they do and call the chat for social media. Mona help me share the video. Who you want share and go give? Una go share around and una self there now. Una where they do and there. Not be people wait there another place. Not concerned them. Edo yakuta where wagwa dumu wodoma gwa dumu teka. Understand? So that's why I know rich. If you want to contribute, Mona call. If you don't want to contribute, maybe we go sleep. Me I don't talk my own no. Don't talk my own. I don't get another one want to talk. Even they come out tomorrow say that old woman the one is sort of me. I don't get time. My own I don't talk. They share and they go. They share and they go. And so they go share you now. You go reach your papa's. The papa will say, "Do you not see what they come out for my pikin mouth? My own daughter. Maybe before you call Europe now, you don't finish university. Because it's hard now before you see Uno go school for Nigeria." So if you want to talk, you want get something want to talk, yes or no, maybe for orphan. A short video I do then something. Me I play music take and down. Even get tired, ogo me no right tana. But you stop shouting. Say go mother, na so they come, na so they go. Wanna stop on because when we go for Gama go chop at the time we did so. When we go for Gama go shop. tí ò náà ga. Mommy, thank you, Sister Bess. I don't close, we don't finish our topic of today. Single mother. Go and marry. Make me go and marry. If you don't want marry, you respect yourself. Thank you, my brother. Well, thank you for your advice to them, single women. Subscribe to my YouTube, Ileledo Talk Show. Please, I beg you people in the name of God. Subscribe to Ileledo Talk Show YouTube channel. Subscribe to Ileledo Talk Show, my people, my lovely Edo people, please. I just open it to. They say if we not get 1,000 subscribers, we don't feel they do live for YouTube. So I believe that YouTube mature pass. So please, Mona, help us to subscribe. Amen, 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 Osahon, amen. And you too. Why you be? Why you say? Why you be?